that me dream say ye ora idie na in our quest to ensure accountability and corruption and now some menchi akra me push straight because your time is short. All right. I think say Attorney General any another fine case to prosecute this matter for us.
Okay.
Now your friend Banti be Asante Berko. Obeye tema oil refinery MD for just 3 months Anna Butchery agency be a friend of sector Ghana security indicted resign of our civil issues he been almost about $300,000 also the nesa boutique the kakra UK to mean that a question a lot of issues and I'll prove to you with all facts now court to US so we have bribes over $2.5 million in bribes I'm a Ghana minister being $1 million.
That's right.
MPs in $46,000.
Hey.
MPs to be quadruple techie.
Yes.
Mako parliamentary hands at the moon. As far back as June 2025, I'll give you parliamentary records.
Okay.
And in a government, so we a case be a general is going to change the case in himself. It's in the way, no. I owe it a duty. Say me change the way.
That's right.
Na OSP. Attorney General. Nko for ya bom di no we.
That's right.
Me checks. Omutiase.
Omutiase.
Yensu yenfra wo say.
Sir.
US court some pretume wa kwaje kakra. And then aje kakra.
Okay.
It's kind of win.
Okay.
Because so kaya MPP by one of the things can say your power purchase agreement you sign with the
yes.
That's right.
That's right.
It's almost $30 billion.
Yes.
To renegotiate people and excess payments.
That's right.
Yes, and sign agreement you can use. And let's not forget, I'm a American. My master's is in energy.
That's right.
My specialization is electricity management. So in the greatest of it, I know what I'm saying. Your consent and take or pay.
Yes.
Maybe my produce upo so to America. Any take or pay. And you would take and pay. What ya wo genon hu na wutua. It me sra I had my expertise my own family name. Okay. Now, Uncle story name. As me story about my attention and my cat was one of the things that I like to do as a journalist is that. And you would say ya boom. Would say na boom zana one have a push.
Well, obiti.
To me and I'm some who story way. Ghana statistics one of my favorite and we say me ku for me say the best appointee. For the Professor Kobna.
That's right.
You know that Ghana statistics. Papa na me all your yeah. Oh, you're brilliant.
Yeah.
Ono uyu ono a na tourism papa no akwesi agyeman solid na dombodu ni esega ne mom ko ye ho na me pepa
okay
ano mo de ba say public official demands bribes nearly 7 in 10 Ghanaians in late 2025 from nearly 7 in 10 na say so who ko passport who ko driver's license who ko birth certificate ade bia who ko ye bia wo behia public servant so be wo ko bia wo ko police station ni pattern at least 7 years, you busa and then would free.
That's right.
In fact, we shall report now, full report, and then we focus next week. Bribery has increased.
Seriously.
And it's alarming. Now, Papa, that's really Asante Berko. Plenty of for the bone, this is TOR MD. But at time now, when you're not an investment analyst, Goldman Sachs, the matter say a big company, a which the UK, one and a big company. Now I want to know Dean Kwe. Only a nice gentleman. Now where official court document? Who's a boutique? They not let us say an net. And the US government there was a former Goldman Sachs investment banker convicted of foreign bribery and money laundering. Now say I can't convicted that. As some evidence say the morning and abono. Obetimi ko jail to 30 years. The war chain say, you didn't sentence in Baba say, A be a 10, A be a 15, A be a 20. But some of the two was only there. You must not dare to say, and no crown or condemn. Assembly then. May I phone in here? I'm breaking the dam. I may break down in the back. But the tougher booming now, my man came free, among. Or say, beginning in December 2014, Berko, a former executive director in the investment banking division at Goldman Sachs Group, was responsible for securing and managing a deal between the Republic of Ghana and Aska Energy, a Turkish energy company, and Goldman's client, for the construction and financing of a power plant in Ghana amidst a national energy crisis in the country. Now, today, the Biamaka was a sentence analysis.
That's right.
US court on say a brand new acquire Sadi and then bra, BBNC or mining. Nay, a bra, man for your cold store ATM. A bra man for your barbering shop, some coming to me in Yajuma. A bra man for nay, Tron coming to me in Yajuma. A brand of a man for Tim show any idea. It's nay a bra, no man.
That's right.
Some brewing and Ghana and a access sign deal no. Now ask an techie company.
That's right.
And I brought a friend back with our time, no may TOR MD no. Now, when you executive data, a boutique bank, can see the investment bank, a crackapa. You want a Ghana ha, ABA, a very bank, say, can you know a cracker?
Yeah.
No more clients and ask some. And I brought a new mouth, where you want banking division. Oh, division, only more banking division.
Okay.
Tanya, Asante Berko. Was it during the scheme? Berko and co-conspirators. The enamity is a Yoko Bachesam Academia. I'm pretty
co-conspirator.
Say, Obia on Uncle Phone would be saying, Jubaya, yeah,
that's right.
Conspired. Say, conspired, Ochimo say, Nakrana. Nakrana.
That's right.
To pay bribes to individuals at numerous levels of Ghanaian government to ensure AXA won HB to build and operate the power plant. According to what I'm saying, Asante Berko ni nkrofobia gia tum e ko nakra na se omo betua den de ama nkrofobia wo Ghana ban mu se ne AXA ye de power purchase agreement deal no ebe ma won. For example, in April 2015, Berko and the conspirators discussed paying $1 million to the Ghanaian Minister of Power.
Hey.
The Ghanaian Minister of Power that time, Nhyira Pabna.
Hey.
It's bueno, and yet you go so to 2015 Ghana's Minister for
That's
Power.
right.
Satan President Mama team energy
yes.
Power energy na think Emmanuel Kufibua. Power. Who was responsible for securing key approvals, enabling the project to progress, and 250,000 to his senior advisor. In Tabia Eugene Obi Behunam said, "Me a big man." Me dey no 1 million for Jeff so.
That's right.
Jeff no dey fan also $250,000.
This
is US court.
Wow.
Now tie or say discuss paying. One can say paid. I'm pretending you. Ninti America say OS Rajumban said did Communal don't go receive $1 million.
Okay.
Meaning
okay.
US court say freeze in you or say for example, in April 2015, Berko and the discuss paying. Let me know discuss. I'm pretty. And I'm sure the way why you show any BBA. I'm not Twitter for an abaco. I can't from me. Who's in a Prague? What I say?
Yes.
It's a discuss paying. Why I say Ghana interesting because this is embarrassing.
That's right.
Now it goes for that to say that after the power deal was ratified by the Ghanaian Parliament. In July 2015, Berko and his co-conspirators exchanged detailed email regarding bribe payment. For example, in August 2015, they discussed 250,000 bribes in payment to various individuals, including 46,000 to members of Ghanaian Parliament. Also then payment.
Yes.
It's in Parliament at the end of the year. There's evidence that they paid 46,000 to members of Parliament, which ratified the agreement between AXA and the Ghana and the government of Ghana, paid by Berko himself. Also in August 2015, the co-conspirator discussed how a bribe recipient was waiting for the holy rain.
Coded. Sikano no mama no code no. That's right. Hi.
From Parliament, only Berko,
holy rain. Hey, bribe money. Bribe money.
The bribe payment and would appreciate it rather. It appreciate sooner than later.
Rantem.
To conceal the scheme from Goldman and others, Berko lied to the compliance team at Goldman that was responsible for vetting the deal. Berko also used his personal email account instead of his Goldman business email account to discuss the deal and the bribe payments and directed the co-conspirators to do the same. In addition, Berko and his co-conspirators concealed and laundered the bribe payments using shell companies, sham invoices, nominee account holders, and cash withdrawals. Payments in furtherance of the bribe scheme were laundered through the US and foreign bank account. Goldman ultimately withdrew from the deal due to corruption concerns. It's in the US, but they use their banking system in the US. And they be ever say invoice, so much I do a 350,000. No want the balance na kutuya. To choose your cash shell company, their companies and shut down your company, a company on paper. And you do on bank account, your identity, air transfer sika illegally.
That's right.
At least any claim, send a doctor come na donko. Now, about deal be say you may tell two coin. The members of the committee.
Yes.
The energy committee. Do you go 2015 more than Ghana. Adam Mutawakilu, or a current MD for Ghana Water, former MP for Damango. And Brian in that branch in 2020, he was the first to grant interview. Say again, correct. Yeah, and the US can.
I see.
It is how 5 members of parliament there called taking. Where parliamentary records.
Okay.
Only 2 coins at time in 2015 August. There will be a record.
Okay.
2 energy committee. Any parliamentary members that ratified then, who received the 46,000. Take it there, don't to the Obu court taking your 5,000.
That's right.
Dollars.
Wow.
Tie misery no. COVID
Ye tiamu no.
Ye tiamu no.
Na wo mu didi peche.
Until your best sign be and fire.
Dabi.
Now, this is the executive approval of the deal.
Oh yes.
President Mahama the sign way. A secretary to cabinet.
Okay.
So President Mahama knows. Now this what happens. Or say 2nd of June 2015. I have for reference your letter, no dated letter. His Excellency the President has granted executive approval for emergency power agreement to be executed between the government of Ghana, represented by the Ministry of Power. It's command again. And AXA Energy. I am to request you to take appropriate measures to actualize the executive approval.
Right.
Before executive approval will come, cabinet will brood over it.
Oh yes.
President will approve.
That's
maybe
right.
I'm catch as a president. Don't go through letters now. They pretend as if they don't know.
Yes.
Today, me kind of afraid and man, they just seem to take the necessary step. The necessary step is what? Based on the constitutional imperative. Every agreement between government of Ghana and the foreign entity must be ratified by Parliament. So President Mama knew about this
knew
deal.
it. Yeah.
Next, a call Parliament. This is the parliamentary document.
Good.
And who presented it to Parliament?
Dr.
Honorable
Kwabena
Dr. Kwabena Donko.
Minister for Power.
This is evidence. Or say, emergency power agreement with attached annexes between the government of Ghana, Ministry of Power, and AXA Energy. Now, senior, nana yemi hu be brain is ahane de mabunkru ne ma background any bibia. Any bibia. Yan kind bibia justification for the deal.
Okay.
And you see, me kaisa brana me COVID. Or the tajina de ba na. Hata na tin kunam na kokwa na mga see. Aya ye kontintin asemu ba ye defend no. Aya munim ne ekoso a anka sa mo kontintin na journalist no no bo no. Mo ye ne mo ye no. Hu ne ma bi say senior justification no. Mo say ade bia ko parliament ase e ko approve loan. Ye ko ye project bibia.
Yes.
When you read most of these memoranda sir, there's a justification for it. Why is constitution paying me?
Yeah.
Because my ban up.
That's
Monday me call up. There's a reason. Obi enye bibia kwa.
Dabi.
And you know Moka said there is no free lunch in
Dabi.
See, the effect of the current load shedding on industry, as well as domestic activities require that tough decisions and measures are taken to fix the situation. The Ministry of Power in collaboration with the Ministry of Finance is working on other emergency power agreements which has received cabinet and parliamentary approvals to ensure that the current challenges in the power sector are eliminated, for which reason it needs to be supported. For the information of cabinet, preparatory work for the first power batch, for which the first guarantee was issued in March 2020. Furthermore, several words, blah, 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 blah. Entity was say, working on other emergency power agreements So which of the other emergency power agreements were also bribes paid to facilitate?
Okay.
Because for nothing at all, the US has convicted Berko.
That's right.
One.
That's right.
AXA, government of Ghana.
That's the album.
Share document. I want to say 2.5 million.
Yes.
Dollars in bribes.
That's right.
Car power. Near Kosan. America. Which other power agreement did we sign that representatives of Ghana took money and gave us bad deals? Which of them? This is where, especially President Mahama, because this happened under his government in Mahama 1, has been interested in investigating people. Because you see, how can important and they say, me no, you who find details. Should they have a affair? Look at the details. But obi to what? I didn't even from I didn't even because I didn't mean so be man and the come. Obi sa what the make. Parliament is a kofa nipa no kwahya sa ade no kasa wode ne ka wona no kure o kofa nipa ne ka say sika na branch energy na nye saa but nipa na no ya ban nipa na nke say oje anu tu mo otua ne independent auditors they can ono so independent onu ni yo mo keka no bi tua ne contractor no ye personal onu betimi abu woni ni eyi to you e bi tua no e bi di you see how they sign the contract.
Yes.
Yeah, go and look at the last 5 years. Energy sector car because of the type of contract you sign. It's a brand and you say where you go can say BBO. You're convicted. Oh, but crime a bit in do prison for 30 years.
And yes, I'm Ketwa.
Even before he was extradited, my man look at it. Or see, the U.S. attorney also expressed his appreciation to the government of the United Kingdom, the UK National Central Bureau for Interpol, the Embassy of the U.S. in London, the Department Office of International Affairs, the U.S. Marshal, for providing substantial assistance in securing the arrest and extradition of the defendants. What does that tell you? Implicated in April 2020. There was a civil matter between Ono and the SEC in the U.S. No, almost about 325,000 in a civil matter.
Okay.
Then the U.S. Department of State initiated the criminal proceedings. He was in London. He was in that. What's the word? The U.S. court implicated him in U.S. So, for the U.S. government to convince the British government to extradite him, meaning that these two countries believe that on the surface of the evidence available, there's a prima facie determination.
Yes.
It's a movie man saying ABB. Cases now Yako Ghana over the BDA.
Yes.
How many of such power purchase agreements because you were emergency? They na make a cover there. A brat to rent him a ban. Ubia Jin said, then a mayor should be a BD. Because I said, no, Yanni say 1 million Mutuan power, you almost say discuss payment.
Yes.
Meaning, so Mutua, but Parliament and then say paid. They said the difference in it. Or see, they discussed 250,000 in bribe payment. See, they discussed 250,000 to various, including 46,000 to the members of Parliament just to ratify the agreement between AXA. That's the way they. For example, they discussed 250,000 in bribe payments. Paid
to various individuals.
But come now, they discuss paying 1 million to him.
So it could be so much. Okay. And this is a problem that I have with dual citizenship when we come to constitutional review. You see, the interest. In Ghana, ono mfa ho. Otumi huriji esia, otumi hurisia. Eti wo hu de odi ayen.
So, senior, emu bia my krokro de Jones attorney general him. Me have 4 questions. Did Dr. Kwabena Donko receive the money? Advice I know parliamentarians 5 men a court take $25,000.
Okay.
And a $46,000 and an MPC bang and a gene to rectify a deal. Because let me show you my real Google energy sector debt and read and know where one of the biggest economy boy energy.
Oh yes. Energy. If we so basic form,
your sign contract says you know produce power 5. We produce 5 no kwani so tuaka. And because of some of these.
Yes. If it's be form. In the ECG now, budget, inflated budget, no. Sky HMO, no more diabro, so no money nam ho.
Yes. This is my first.
Okay.
Let me end my